Having the most expensive buffet at luxurious hotel in Singapore. What is the cost of buffet? What are the food options? Whether it's worth or not. So everything I'm going to share. Today we are going to the most expensive hotel in Singapore. We are going to show you what are the options and let you know also why we are going to this hotel. What is the reason behind it. So stick with us for the whole video. From home to the hotel we have taken a bus and it took around 45 minutes by bus to get there, which is located near the Fafa Plaza. Later we are going to share the location of that hotel, so maybe next time if you want you can also visit. So the moment we arrive there we are greeted with a warm welcome at the entrance by the staff who opened the door for us, such as a lovely welcome. The moment you step inside you can't help out admiring the amazing look of that place. The interior absolutely was stunning. Yeah. Now we are here for lunch buffet and trust me you need to book in advance to reserve your slot. They are pretty strict about their timing and it should be 15-minute grace. So you don't, if you are not on time they may give your table to somebody else. So once you enter you walk straight to the counter. Staff will guide you to your table. From there all about enjoying your food. There was wide variety of both non-veg and veg options. Let you know around to show you what we have there, starting with your first stall and ending with our last one. Oh, if you are bringing kids along, don't worry. They also got plenty of option for them too. Guys, we are here at the Grand Hyatt Hotel, the Singapore most expensive hotel, and we are going to taste. And as I told you, I'm gonna let you know what are the reason why we came here. And before that, we need to explore everything. So I came here before, but that officially. But now this is like personal. Hello. Hey, don't disturb me. So my baby disturbing me, so we are going to check out everything. So we were starving by the time we reached the buffet at Grand Hyatt because it's time around 12:30 p.m. and we headed straight to the Indian stall. The buffet ran from 12 p.m. till 2:30 p.m. So we had plenty of time. The spread of Indian stall was amazing. There was biryani, rice, mixed veg, paneer tikka, aloo veg, papad, veg roll, or even stuffed aloo too. Other non-veg lot of Indian options also was there, and they also had a naan lacha paratha that you can order on the spot itself and they will make for you very warm, but you have to be in queue for that those. They had everything laid nicely with the plates and bowl down below for the shelf service. We decided log for our plate with most of the item at once because we didn't want to interrupt our lunch later by getting up again. Now all set are our table with the delicious variety of food. हमने पीछे हो जाओ, पीछे हो जाओ, पीछे खड़े आप कुछ नहीं ले रही हो ना. What बेटा? चलो मानी हेजल खाओ.
Just try.
ये स्वीट है ये.
So guys, first we are trying the thali, the plate, because we are hungry. It's almost 12:30. So we have gathered all shahi paneer, curry, aloo, naan, and so many delicious Indian veg and non-veg. Everything is available. Now it's time to taste all these delicious foods and we are getting ready to serve everything on our plate. The food was yummy and delicious except for the paneer tikka, which was a bit dry, but rest of the items were amazing and delicious. Let's try the veg roll and stuffed aloo. Wow, they were so quite yummy, which was honestly I didn't expect it. The veg stuffing inside was really good.
Aloo separate.
And guys, I almost forgot to mention there one thing, that is rasmalai, which was my favorite one, and I had to go for the second round for that one, so I was taking it so many rasmalai to serve it with others also.
देखो
For
ये
kids,
वाला वो
there was
वाला जल
small
चाहिए, ये रही
pastries,
जल
jelly, and of
चाहिए।
course fruits if they want. We got
Jackfruit
them
है।
some jellies and cake,
अच्छा
and
वो
I'm
ये रहा
really
ब्लैक जल।
curious to see what they
ठीक
think
है
and what is
देखो
their feedback
पूरा
after
पूरा
having this. So we have taken two plates, one for my younger, one for my little one, and they are trying to serve themselves by. So this is also like for kids, they will help to develop some kind of self-serving habit.
हटो ये जल फॉर यू येलो जल क्या है जल
I don't like this happening, but I like this.
One of my favorite fruit, jackfruit, also called katal in Hindi, was also there too. It was a big egg, what I expected, so I thought, why not taste it? So I tasted, and the guess how the taste was. It was really so sweet, and I really like it. So guys, now it's time to taste this mini cup. Honestly, I was not sure what was inside. I thought it was a cream, but it turned out to be something completely different. I will let you know later. Now is time to taste some porridge. Actually, my husband brought it for us, and we got to finish it, and we don't want to waste this food because we are not in favor of wasting any kind of food. The taste is bit sweet, little sweet, and it was good, but honestly if you have other options you may skip it. And I tried the sushi, I'm not sure the name. It's made of rice, and top of it is a jelly cream. I like the combination of sweet and sour, so maybe guys you can let you know what is the name of that dish.
इसे खाना डाइजेस्ट हो जाएगा
And of course you have to have salad in between to help with your digestion, and always is a good idea. Now let's check out for the drink. There are different flavor of juice in this stylish bottle covered with ice at the bottom, but I'm not very huge fan of this kind of juices, so I just take a look for you guys. So now let's get the fresh squeezed juice from this machine, and I went with freshly squeezed orange juice, which tasted just like a $2 orange shop we can get outside. Now it's another amazing section is soup counter. Here what you'd have to do, choose your veggies or noodle, or you can go for the non-veg option also. And what they will do, everything they will choose for you and keep it in the bowl. You also can go for the noodle, bihun, other things they will cut into small pieces and put into the boiled water, so let it cook.
That's it.
Once it completely will boil, they will be serving in the big bowl as a soup, and later I will let you know what is the taste of this. You can put the garnishing things like chili, some kind of sauces, other things. And other hand, actually my kids are really busy in having papad. Cold and hot water also available if you wanted to have. Of course this is free of cost. And on the other hand, there's items like a coffee and tea machines also available. If you are fond of having coffee after your lunch, that is also you can go for it, but I'm actually not fan of having these combinations after lunch having tea, so I'm not this kind of people. Other than that, there are so many snacks and food item for kids, different kind of biscuits and other item. And I even not sure this kind of soup what are the names, but these are vegetarian. If you like you can have it. And guys, I really full at that time and really don't have space in my tummy, and definitely I'm human being, I cannot eat everything at one time. So yeah, now it's time for tasting the soup, and this seems to be very warm. Let me taste. You can see all the ball vegetables insides.
This only leaves in vegetables. Okay.
And the taste was little bit salty, but whoever lover of soup, definitely this is a very good option for them. You want, you can try it. Now it's time for our break. I'm almost full. I'm gonna take a break, but still I have to explore a lot of things. And I'm gonna show you other options for the non-vegetarian. Non-vegetarian doesn't matter. Other varieties like a Chinese, like a chicken roasted, like a soup. So I'm gonna show you soon. Yeah, nice. Chalo. Alright, now revealing the taste of the small glass item. I try to get my daughter to taste it first, but I think she is not interested. Now it's time for me to taste it. Let's see my reaction. So something, we can see the cake pieces. Oh my god. You know what is this? You know what is this?
वो रहता है जो खाते हैं ये लोग
Any?
ये डूरियन है
Just one taste?
डूरियन
Actually, this is durian dessert. I am not that much fan, but okay, this is yummy.
वेरी स्मेली है
But this have very strong smell. Want to taste? Definitely ice cream is most important dessert and things to taste, and without this definitely your lunch or food will not finish. So we tasted there are two kind of flavor, one I think coconut and one chocolate, so we choose coconut to have it and the taste was good. So guys, by this time I was completely full and there was no space at all, so I decided to visit it each and every stall. Most of the stall were non-vegetarian, so you can see what I have taken the photo and videos of this. And in case if you have planned to go there next time, you may be prepared what are the options available. And guys, let you know how much we have paid. Total around $159 we have paid from our pocket, that is for 2 person including GST, and kids below 6 years old it's a free, so you no need to pay any charges for them. So I would say most of the options available, we had tried everything, and actually we had what we want to have. It's more than that we had. So I would say it's reasonable. The cost was reasonable, very very reasonable, and at least in once you should try to go and visit there so that you can have a feel of this luxury 5-star hotel. Actually this hotel Grand Hyatt, it also provides services as a hotel, but they are also providing this facility to have buffet so that other people, normal people, they can go and have the luxurious lunch, food, dinner, anything. So hope guys you like this video, and this is really good time for us, and it was my daughter birthday together with the National Day. We went there and we celebrated, and the story doesn't end here, because at the home we also going to do, and we almost finished from here 2:30, and then we almost reach home around 3:30 or 4 o'clock. And you can see the view of the Grand Hyatt hotel from the outside. It's like a very big building outside. If you want, you can go and reserve your book as well. So now let's go to our home and see what is the environment. Now this is a cake what I have ordered. This is very cheap, around $23 that I ordered from one of the Sarangun shop. If you want, I can give you the address and the shop name as well.
Himani very shy. Oh, is your birthday? Sachi.